Welcome to Over 50 TV. My name is Lou Reyes, and today what I'll do is I'm going to dive into 7 smart reasons to file for Social Security benefits at 62. Now, I know there are plenty of opinions out there on when to file, and I also know that filing at 62, well, it's not for everyone. But after looking at the facts, I believe these are some of the best reasons to claim early. Now, whether you're on the fence or maybe you just want to make sure that you're making a smart, informed decision, in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you, and we're going to start with number 1. Unlocking spousal benefits. Filing for Social Security at 62, well, it can open the door to spousal benefits, which are simply payments that are based on your spouse's earnings. And these benefits, well, they're designed to help when there's a big income gap between spouses. You could qualify for a spousal benefit if your spouse is already collecting Social Security, retirement, or disability benefits, if you've been married for at least a year, and if you're 62 or older, well, you may be eligible. And the amount you receive typically ranges from 32 to 50% of your spouse's full benefit, depending on when you file. Now, there are 4 key things that I want you to keep in mind. Number 1, your spouse's benefit stays the same, which means your spousal benefit won't reduce what they receive. Number 2, your benefit may be lower if you're still working or if you haven't reached full retirement age. Number 3, if you've worked, Social Security will pay whichever benefit is higher, your own or your spousal benefit, but not both. And number 4, if you're divorced, you may still qualify if you were married for at least 10 years and you're 62 or older. Now, this can be a great option if your spouse had significantly higher earnings and if you want to maximize your Social Security income early. Reason number 2, life expectancy. Now, this may be something that you don't want to think about, but we need to talk about it anyway. If you don't expect to live long, maybe due to health issues or maybe even family history, claiming benefits at 62, well, it could make financial sense, and let me tell you why. The break-even point for taking Social Security at 62 versus waiting until full retirement age, well, break-even is typically around age 78. Now, this means if you live past 78, you'll have collected more money overall by waiting until age 67 to retire. But if you don't expect to live that long, claiming at 62, well, it could give you more total benefits over your lifetime. Reason number 3. Provisional income. And this reason, it revolves around provisional income, which is simply a type of income that's used by the Internal Revenue Service to determine whether and how much of your Social Security benefits will be subject to federal income tax. Now, if you file at 62, you might have, or maybe you'll have little to no other taxable income, which means less of your Social Security benefits will be taxed. However, if you wait to file and expect higher income later, maybe you've got a growing business or you've got an annuity or some other investments, well, your provisional income could be higher, which could lead to more of your Social Security benefits being taxed. So if you expect your income to increase in the future, it might make sense to start Social Security at 62 while your tax burden is lower. Reason number 4, give your body a break. Now, if you've spent your entire life in a physically demanding job, maybe you worked construction or you did factory work, or maybe you were doing nursing, or really any job that wears down your body, well, there comes a point where you're going to be saying enough is enough. Your health and your quality of life, they matter more than grinding yourself down, grinding your body down just because you want to wait to reach full retirement age. Filing for Social Security at 62, well, it can provide a steady income flow while allowing you to step away from that hard labor and really focus on rest, recovery, and enjoying your life. If your body is telling you it's time to slow down, Social Security can help make that possible. Reason number 5, survivor benefits. Now, this is a tough one. This is really a tough one to think about, and I know that. But it is important for many of us to consider survivor benefits. Now, if your spouse, if they earn more than you and their life expectancy, if it's shorter, well, you'll eventually inherit their higher survivor benefit when they pass. And in this case, filing for your own Social Security at 62, well, it might make sense. It'll give you some income now while you wait to receive the larger survivor benefit later. In survivor benefits, they start at 71.5% of your spouse's benefit, and it increases the longer that you wait to apply. And let me give you an example. You might get over 75% at age 61, or over 80% at age 63, or over 90% at age 65. Now, you can get up to 100% when you file your full retirement age for survivor benefits, which is between 66 and 67. Reason number 6, make the most of your retirement years. Now, retirement isn't just about not working. It's about living on your own terms. Let's say you filed at 62. Well, you could start checking off that bucket list sooner. Maybe you're going to do some traveling or spending time with family or pursuing hobbies. Hobbies, while you are still healthy and able to pursue those hobbies. So waiting for that bigger check, well, it won't do you much good if you can't fully enjoy it later. So filing early, well, it lets you take advantage of the time that you have now. Reason number 7, you simply need the money. And let's be real. Sometimes you just need the money. You need the cash. Life can be tough. Bills pile up, unexpected expenses come up, and maybe, just maybe, you're supporting other folks. And there are hundreds of other reasons why filing early might be the right call, and that's okay. If Social Security at 62, if it helps you to stay afloat or just gives you some financial breathing room, then it's a particularly valid reason, particularly valid choice. And at the end of the day, it's really all about what works for you. Well, that's all I've got for you today, my friends. I sincerely hope that you found this video helpful. I will say that if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, well, then please go ahead and make a comment in the comment section. You could also send me an email. I do need to mention, though, that the information in this video, it is for educational purposes only, and it doesn't constitute financial advice. Please consult with a certified financial planner or maybe a professional advisor before you make any financial decisions. Now, I also want to invite you to sign up for my breaking news email. It really is the best way for you to stay informed about the news that matters most to you. Now, my essential updates, what I send you, they're delivered straight to your inbox as the news happens. Now, you can sign up for my breaking news email by clicking on the link in the description box of this video. And also, if you did enjoy watching this video, if you found it helpful, well, then go ahead and please hit the like button, and also consider subscribing to Over 50 TV if you want more retirement tips and Social Security news. Well, as I said, that's all I've got for you today. And as I always say, have a great day, everybody.